because that legislative risk is a real risk in retirement, and not only retirement, throughout our investment career. And just again, as Don said, all that means is laws could change, tax laws can change.
Achieving financial success takes dedication, discipline, and most importantly, a plan. For over 30 years, Don Reynolds has helped savers define their needs, formulate their plans, and achieve their goals. From accumulation to preservation and protection, and through the income distribution phase in retirement, implementing the right strategies makes all the difference. Your retirement is our business. Welcome to Strategic Asset Preservation.
Well, hello, everybody, and welcome to another episode of Reynolds Wrap. I'm Don Reynolds. Of course, you all know Corey, my great
hello,
friend,
everyone.
Business partner.
Yes.
So we all know we got election coming up, obviously. And we don't get into politics or religion, as you all know. What we want to talk about today is some potential things that could happen. We don't know what's going to happen. Obviously, we don't know what effects of who ends up becoming in the White Office, but what we do know is that it could affect taxes. Everybody knows how we feel about taxes. That's something that we strive to help our clients with, whether it be taxation on Social Security or the lack thereof. We prefer not to have it taxable. But like Corey says, and I really like his thought process in this, everybody talks about how much returns they make. Well, when you're paying more taxes, that just goes to your returns. You're getting less, so to speak. And so, again, we look at today's tax environment. We are in historic lowest levels of taxes. And so we're big proponents of taking advantage of that. We call it opportunity.
Absolutely.
And so we think, we've got a great opportunity still. Again, who knows what's going to happen with the election, and we'll have to cross those bridges when we get to them.
Yeah, I think the key is, again, something will change. I guess change is inevitable. And especially in an election year as this, as such, and depending upon what candidate does win presidency here, I know there's been some things that have been debated and talked about, and different philosophies and plans that they've talked about implementing. So I think the key, again, as Don mentioned, is we've got opportunity through 2025, because that's the current tax law, is going to sunset December 31st, 2025. So we want to take hand and hold of what we have right now. And then the key would be, we want to make sure that we evolve with what's going to change. We want to make sure that our plan that we have for our clients is going to continue to evolve depending upon what changes we do see into the future. Because taxes do erode your retirement, folks. It is a bill. It is a cost to you in retirement. And we want to make sure that we plan for that you've got that precise looking at it each and every year, and changing if you need to into our future. And I know there's been talk about reducing or eliminating the taxation on Social Security, which that would be a huge thing. That we're proponents of that big time, because again, the cause and effect of that, as our clients understand, is very great and very substantial. And again, if that's reduced or eliminated, that could be substantially positive for you.
Yeah. I don't know how they're going to pay for it, but again, these are all the unknowns. But I would sign up for that. I think everybody would agree with that one.
Absolutely.
At the end of the day, there's really two types of risk. Well, you've got tax risk, which is kind of what we've just been talking about right now. Will you pay more in retirement? Will you pay less? We find that majority of people probably pay more in retirement than they did while they were working.
Yeah.
Most people are shocked when they learn that.
Yeah.
And then the other piece of this is the legislative risk. Are they going to introduce new taxes? Are they going to expand taxes? And again, these are all unknowns. We don't know what's going to happen, but clearly, I think people are concerned. There's a lot of uncertainty about, some of the proposals that both sides are making.
Correct.
And we don't know what's going to end up happening. They may propose something, whether it'll ever get through, who knows? So I guess our attitude is what Corey kind of said. We have to deal with today, the now.
Yep.
And so, our feelings are, if you are concerned about your own personal tax situation right now, please give us a call at 651-773-3859. Again, that's 651-773-3859. We're happy to, sit down with you. We offer a no cost, no obligation discovery meeting, and we can look at your current tax situation.
Yep.
And, we're pretty good at seeing, if you will, spots or, holes where maybe we can improve your situation, or maybe you're not aware of or don't understand what's happening, the cause and effect of it. And so we can educate you with that. So I implore you to take advantage of the opportunity that stands before us all today, and that's historic lowest levels of taxes.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Because that legislative risk is a real risk in retirement, and not only retirement, throughout our investment career. And just again, as Don said, all that means is laws could change, tax laws can change. Laws can change around sources of money and what we can save and what we can't save, how much we can contribute. Can we contribute to, after-tax money to Roths further or not? Pre-tax monies to traditional IRAs, 401ks. So again, we have to make sure that you have plans in place that can handle changes into your future and not have to have your plan, so to speak, that you have planned out. You've got this course that you're going on into retirement change or blow up on you just because we've got some legislative law changes. So again, give us that call. We'd be happy to sit down with you, look at your personal situation, talk to you in terms of your personal numbers, your personal risks that you face, and making sure that we've got ways to navigate through those risks, not only today, but tomorrow and in the years to come through your retirement.
Exactly. Well, again, number 651-773-3859. If you have questions or you'd like to take a look at your situation and have us do an evaluation, again, it's no cost, no obligation.
Absolutely.
With that, I want to thank you all for your time and have a wonderful afternoon.
Thanks, everyone. Have a great day.
Listen to more with Don Reynolds and Corey Still on the Strategic Asset Preservation Podcast by visiting 800preserve.com.
The information presented on this program is provided for informational purposes only, without warranty of accuracy, completeness, or suitability for a particular purpose. This program is not intended to be and does not constitute financial, investment, legal, or tax advice. This information is general in nature and not specific enough to be construed as advice. You should not make any decision based on the information presented on this program without independent consultation with an appropriately licensed professional or competent advisor. Investment in securities or the market involves a potential risk for loss of principal. Trading, therefore, may not be suitable for all listeners. Annuity guarantees are based solely on the financial strength and claims-paying ability of the issuing company. Withdrawals of growth from annuities may be taxable as ordinary income in the year it is taken. Individuals should review contracts for specific details of the product's features and costs. Early withdrawals may subject the owner to penalties, fees, or taxes.
Fiduciary duty extends solely to investment advisory advice and does not extend to other activities such as insurance or broker-dealer services. Advisory clients are charged a quarterly fee for assets under management, while insurance products pay a commission, which may result in a conflict of interest regarding compensation.
Advisory services offered through Brookstone Capital Management, a registered investment advisor.